Hello everyone, my name is Silvia. I am a student in the International Relations Department. So today I will tell you about my unforgettable moment with my family. The most unforgettable moment in my life was when I took a trip to Bali with my family. It was a vacation come true for all of us because we were finally on vacation with our extended family. I remember when my family and I explored some of the beaches in Bali. We also did fun activities, and one of which was riding exciting sea rides. One of the highlights of the trip was traveling around the island by motorcycle. We also saw sunset and sunrise, and each day we saw a different beach. Ubud is rich in healthy food, calm atmosphere, and many other activities that we did. We laughed, explored, and many unforgettable memories together. Even years later, I still have photos and souvenirs from the trip, and I am so grateful for the experiences that brought us closer together as a family. I hope I can have that same moment of togetherness again, anywhere and anytime. That's my short story. That's all, and thank you.